Alright, today I'm using the Voskhod DE blade, which I've never used. It's highly reviewed, and I'm going to use it in a Rockwell 6C with the number 6 plate. And I'm going to use all three plates today. So I'm going to go 6, 4, 3. And we'll see how that does on my face. I've already got some Taylor of Old Bond Street whipped up here, and I've got a lot of growth. I've got 5 days. So we're working with something. It's thick. I mean, yeah, it's thick. All right, so let me put some water on my face. We'll start to lather up here. All right, so let's get going. I've been watching the Masters on TV. What an exciting tournament that is. And taking a little break to do a shave. Good to see Tiger Woods back playing golf, because he's good for the game. I like that Scotty Scheffler that's leading it. Very nice young man. In the interviews that I've watched on the Masters app. Okay, actually, I'm going to add some water to that. I'm really interested in this Voskhod blade. A lot of guys online and YouTube content creators love this blade. So I'm curious how much I'm going to like it. From what I've been reading, it's a little sharper, or I should say it is sharper than a Astra blade, the green ones, which, you know, I like. It's a mild blade, and it was my first blade that I started out using, and, you know, it served me well to learn how to shave. Yeah, we're going to call that good for the first lather. All right, so Rockwell C with a Voskhod blade, number 6 plate. We're going to go with the grain on the first pass. I'm going to concentrate on riding the bar again. Okay, good first pass. Okay. Okay. With the grain neck. Great pass. Riding the bar, getting that angle correctly. Yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, focusing on that angle on my neck is really helping me out. All right, let me go up here with the grain. Nice. Let me give this a rinse. Okay, so that was the first pass with the Voskhod with a 6 plate. Pretty good. And let me switch out and put in the number 4 plate. Switched out the Rockwell 6C and put in the number 4 plate. Okay, going in with the Rockwell 6C, now with the number 4 plate. We're going to go across the grain. Wow, nice pass. To the other side. Oops. Sure I didn't misalign that. We're good. Yeah, another really good pass there. Across the grain, neck. This is a hard pass for me right here, down here. Lower part of my neck. Across the grain. I have a tendency to want to, help pull it here. Yeah, that's better. Blade feels really good. Let me give this a rinse. Second pass, real nice. I mean, squeaky clean. A little bit down here. Lot there. Yeah, that was a good shave. Let me put the number 3 plate in and we'll go from there. Let's lather up for the final pass, which is against the grain or the growth. Wow, that's cold. So the final pass with the number 3 plate, and that plate is 1 and 3. The blade so far feels real good. It does feel sharper than an Aster blade. It cut right through it. I can see why a lot of people like this blade for sure, because it slices right through it. That's for sure. What kind of shave it's gonna leave? Yeah, I think it's gonna leave a great shave. You can already tell. I have a little bit of irritation going on my neck which is not uncommon. I mean, because that's my sensitive area. And from reading all the comments that you guys have left, a lot of you guys have the same, the same problem I do down there. It's where ingrown hairs happen, razor burn, razor bumps. Yeah, that's where it's going to happen for a lot of us, if you have neck hair. All right, let's go in for the final pass with the Rockwell 6C with the number 3 plate with a Voskhod blade. Picking up a little bit. Not much though. Wow, that's pretty nice. Yeah, that's really nice. That's nice. Okay, against the grain jawline. That was pretty good too. Wow. Okay. Ride that bar. Swallow here. Little tugging there. Okay. Pretty good. Let me give this a rinse. Okay, yeah. Smooth. A little bit right here. I'll go back and touch that up. A little right there too. Yeah, that was a really good shave. Let me touch up that neck area. It seems like I have to do that a lot because I'm so careful down there. Let's go one more time. That feels good. Yeah, that's good. All right, let me rinse all this off and okay, let me go over it with an almond block. No stinging up here. None there. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Little bit down here on my sensitive part. Yeah, that was a really good shave. Wow. Yeah, wow. Why that alum block is drying on my face, I gotta tell you. That is a really good shave. Yeah, that's a really good shave. That's a awesome blade. Really good shave. Yeah, I would highly recommend that to everybody as well. I think switching the plates on this Rockwell 6C, that's a little bit of a pain in the butt. Now, a lot of people are saying the Merkur has a better adjustable razor, which, I can see just for the convenience of, being able to adjust it down here, or like a Gillette Fat Boy or a Slim, you know what I mean? Being able to adjust that butterfly is easier. This is, yeah, you got to take the plate off 3 times. Is it hard to do? No. Is it a little bit of an inconvenience? Yeah, but I mean, I'm in front of the camera a lot anyways, and trying not to, rush through my shaves. But yeah, this razor, safety razor, and that Voskhod, great shaver. Mild but very, very good shave. Little bit of an irritation down there, but hey, that's a good shave. Really good shave. All right. Well, if you guys made it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one, and have a great week.